A/B testing, how to optimize any landing page for a better conversion rate. Pagewiz not just helps your pages look better, but also helps you get more leads by easily setting up unlimited tests for each of your landing pages. Say you've built this landing page. It's producing acceptable conversions, but you've got an idea for a small change you think might deliver even better results. Say you're wondering whether your headline should emphasize the word free by putting it in capital letters and moving it to the beginning of the sentence. We can do that just by creating another version of the page, making the change to the copy, and then sending out both versions to see which works better. To get started, go to the dashboard, hit Settings, go to A/B Testing, and click the green Add New Variant button. Now you can choose to make a copy of another page you've made or simply duplicate your current page, which goes by the default name Variant A. Now you have two versions of your current page. Click on Options for Variant B and select Change Frequency. Let's make it 50% and save it. Now, half of your visitors will see Variant B, and the other half will see Variant A. Click Options Design for Variant B to return to the builder and make your change in your test page's headline. Once you've saved your work, you'll notice how easily you can toggle between your two versions. You can change and test any element you want, such as the background image, the lead form, and so on. Besides that, the A/B testing screen lets you add as many variants as you want and define their frequency to suit your testing needs. And regardless of the frequency you define for your versions, Pagewiz always shows the same variant to the same users. That kind of consistency can be crucial if you want to test pricing, because obviously you'd like return visitors to see the same price they saw the first time they came. Want to learn more about A/B testing? Visit the Pagewiz blog at pagewiz.com/blog/conversion rate optimization. And for any questions, feel free to contact our live chat or email support@pagewiz.com.